It's Curry Gaming back again with another video. Today I went to one of my local Walmarts and I picked up two Hot Wheels monster trucks that I didn't have yet from Case L. And yeah, so here's the card back. Here are all the trucks from the case. I found Tactical Unit a long time ago, so I already reviewed that. So if you want to see that video, go check it out. But here are the trucks in the case. You have Two School, Bigfoot 45th Anniversary, Dodge Charger with the street tires, Operation Stomp Ride Truck, Tactical Unit, Will Trash It All, Oscar Mayer Wienermobile, and the Camaro. So they did not have Two School or Bigfoot, so the ones that I got today are the Operation Stomp Ride Truck and the Dodge Charger with the street tires. So first we're going to take a look at Operation Stomp, the ride truck version. Here is the crush car, and here is Operation Stomp. What a beauty. I love this truck. I must say I like this better than Hall-Yell. It's a matte painted truck, which is cool. So it says on the side, it says Operation Stomp Transport. Got the Hot Wheels logo and the Monster Trucks logo right there, and a bunch of graphics. Hot Wheels on the grill, along with some headlight printing. It says Unit 1 on the hood and Operation Stomp Transport. Another Hot Wheels logo right there. Another side panel with the same stuff on the side. Nothing on the tailgate, and then you got the seats, and you got the roll bar that protects the seats. So yeah, very cool truck. And then also it's got a black chassis, green roll cage, and yellow beadlocks with black rims. So very cool truck. And now we are going to take a look at the Dodge Charger with the awesome street tires. Alright, here's the crush car, and I don't know if I showed Operation Stomp's crush car, but here it is, just in case you didn't see it. But yeah, here is the Dodge Charger RT with the street tires. This is very cool. Obviously, this is the same Dodge Charger from last year, but what's new about it is these tires, which look awesome. So yeah, this is very cool that they made this. It's 5 out of 5 of the Crash Legends. So yeah, that's pretty cool. These tires are made of rubber. So I guess this is supposed to look like a dragster or something. It does say Hot Wheels on the tires. So yeah, they made a twin mill with these tires too, so hopefully I can find that soon. But yeah, but this is the same Dodge Charger as last year's release, because it has the General Lee inspired graphics. So yeah, really the main attraction of this truck is these new wheels. But it's still pretty cool. Yeah, so can't wait to use this in my sign-up series. Hopefully it performs well. I'm curious to see how fast it is as well. I like the molding that they did for the rims and everything. They did a pretty good job. I hope we get more muscle car monster trucks with these tires in the future. Because I'd like to see Bone Shaker with these tires, or I'd like to see the Camaro with these tires. I'm not sure. But yeah, 2021 is going to be interesting, so hopefully they bring back these tires. So yeah. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of Operation Stomp Transport, aka Operation Stomp Ride Truck, and the Dodge Charger with the street wheels. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. More reviews coming soon. This is Curry Gaming signing out.